Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 21 Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen, as you can see right over here. And from here, all you need to do is start off by selecting your desired language. Now for me it's already selected the correct one, but basically what you want to do is find it, tap on it, and there we go. And let's select Let's Go. Here we have terms of use, so obviously let's tap on next and agree, no other option. And this will take us to the Wi-Fi connection, so right here you can connect to Wi-Fi, assuming you have one that you can connect to. If you don't sweat it, you can simply skip it if you want to. Now if you choose to skip it, like I will, you will lose the option to log into your Google account, at least throughout the setup. But later on, once you connect to it, or connect to Wi-Fi after the setup, you can also go to the settings and log into your Google account if that is something that you will want to do. So let's set it up offline, continue. Now also one other additional thing is date and time will need to be set manually. Sometimes it's gonna be set correctly, sometimes not. I don't really know what it is dependent on. But if you were to connect to Wi-Fi, this would have been set automatically, and well, that also would have been correct. So you can change them if they're incorrect right here, and then tap on next. Then we have Google services, so we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic and data. Now you can tap on the tiny little arrows next to each one of them to expand it and get a more comprehensive overview of what this function does. And at the end of the day, if you don't like them, you can also disable them, like so. Scroll down and tap on accept. And then lastly, throughout the setup, we'll have the protection of our device, so we can set up a screen lock, fingerprint, or just simply skip it. So if you want to set one of those, for instance a screen lock, like a pin pattern password, I'm gonna go with a pattern here. You just choose it and draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw the same pattern, confirm, and setup is complete. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.